So now it's getting really exciting and experimental. Introducing the Nature Lab Set, the mobile research workstation for outdoors, with which you can literally explore everything. The perfect setting for understanding nature and the environment. And we have spared no expense or effort in setting up something outside for you. Namely, of course, the Nature Lab Set. And now we're going to go live outside to our field station. You can already see Professor Leopold busy researching.
Yes, Magali?
How's it going out there?
Yes, very good. It's cold, but it's beautiful out here. I'm already busy researching, yes.
Yes, off you go then. Show us the Explorer Mobile. We are so excited.
Exactly. Well, we all know it, don't we? I mean, what child doesn't like to do research in nature, to get to know their surroundings and their environment? And then you always have the option, either you bring nature into the room or you just go into nature. And that's what this beautiful research trolley from company ECLA is for. And equipped with the most important of all, for this expedition with the most important utensils. Very important. This trolley is also equipped with a brake. Furthermore, we have water canisters here, specially designed for this handcart. They are food safe. This means that drinking water can also be transported here. What's more, we have work surfaces here. They are optimally placed at children's height, so that the children can work on them. And very clever, there's enough storage space underneath for utensils, such as magnifying glasses, and so on.
Perfect for storing everything you need for a research trip.
And also, storage space down here, where you can put sheets of paper when you later want to document nature with drawings. And for the big tools like shovels and such, we have another compartment back here where the long things fit in. Yes, dear Magali. That was the introduction to the Explorer Mobile. I will now continue to explore nature here, and my next object of research will be an apple. I'll see how much life is left in it, so I will say goodbye.
Thank you from out in the field, Professor Leopold. So, now we can explore everything, nature and the environment, and get to know nature with all of our senses. That is environmental education. Everything is possible. So get out into nature with the Nature Lab Set.